years ago, I have a cat. Okay, it's a Persian cat. Her name is Percy. I've been giving her for this Optimus pets. My cat is doing very well, amazingly. This is my true story, frankly speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old is the pet?
Now it's 25 years old.
25.
Yes, it's 25 years. I'm starting giving her last 3 years.
She couldn't walk properly, right? Obese, right?
Not obese, because of the old age. They start have all this joint pain, and she even cannot climb up to my is it like a setting table, you know? She used to climb up and down, but she's old. I understand she's old, but right now, even though with 25, she still can walk. Makan time or whatever, can walk.
There's one
Yes,
time you
yes.
said she actually jumped down from the.
Yes.
Amazing.
Correct. Amazingly, I really.
You feel that the pet Percy has a lot of strength.
Yes,
You know.
definitely for 25 years old cats. Most probably right now, I think for Persian cat, sometime already gone. Yes.
It's healthy,
But
yeah.
now she's, even though old, she still walks slowly. She still can walk.
Wow, congratulations.